important things that we have that we don't even realize we need to work out just like the rest of our muscles. So what you're going to do is you're going to pretend like you're a puppet, and puppets have long butts sticking out of their heads. Strings, right. So everybody grab onto your string, and then what you're going to do is, whenever you're ready, whenever you want to sit up straighter, pull the string on your head, and notice how much straighter you sit up. So let's try it. Everybody slouch over, grab onto the string on top of your head, straighten yourself up, and pull your string. So now what happens is that your spine is straighter. When your spine is better for your posture, then all the energy goes up and down, and we're going to do a little energy. Let's go over some big belly breathing. So everybody take your hands, put them on your belly just like this. All right. So when you do belly breathing, what you do is you stick your belly out as far as you can to breathe in all the air. I'm going to show you. Ready? So, I like the way you have a bubble in your mouth. I like the way that you have a bubble in your mouth. So watch. Everybody, you're going to take a big belly breath in. Watch how big my belly is. By the way, before the summertime, before I knew this program was happening, I had like 6-pack abs, but I wanted to help you. I wanted to help you understand big belly breathing, so I spent the whole summer eating ice cream and pizza so that I could show you how to do it. Everybody believe it? So watch what you do. When you do belly breathing, you breathe in with your nose or your mouth, and you try to stick your belly out as far as you can like this. Watch. Ready? Let's see. Ready? Breathe in. And stick your belly out as far as you can. Now, when you breathe out, and by the way, adults, this is all for you as well. When you're breathing out, what you do is you're going to pull your stomach in as much as you can using your stomach muscles. And for some of us, we don't think we have any. We do. They're just under a nice little cushion. So ready, everybody? Big belly breath in. Make your belly as big as you can. Now breathe out and pull your belly in as far as you can. Ready? Breathe in. Make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. See how you feel. Breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly big.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.